Giving bald head. It's giving bald head. Ow. Hey y'all, good morning, welcome back to my channel. So today is Monday. I have a meeting, so let's get to it. I have some other stuff to do today as well. I'm planning an event and we'll see how it goes. I also have a final exam today, so wish me luck. Yeah. It says waiting for host, so let me sign in. I think I have to sign in. This is my first time creating a Zoom meeting. We have 3 minutes to go. Let me check my messages. Oh my god. I forgot that I have an appointment with a garage flooring company. They said that they're running ahead of schedule, so they're gonna be here closer to noon instead of 1 p.m. which is perfect because I get more time to prepare for my exam. So perfecto. Hello, can you hear me? Hello? No. Okay, I can hear you. Can you hear me? Okay, awesome. How do you say your name? One appointment down, another one. The garage company's here. Let's go take care of this.
2 hours later.
So I wanted to take y'all into the garage to hear how the consultation was going, but I wasn't paying attention to the time. Don't mind my thing. I'm not sure what happened to it. I think it was, I don't know. It's not bleach. It's definitely not bleach. Or maybe it's bleach. I don't know. But I don't know what happened because I've never washed this with bleach because why would I? But anyways, it got messed up and I still put it on inside the house sometimes because I love it. Like I was saying, I wanted to take y'all into the garage for this appointment, but I lost track of time. Sorry. But it was great. Like he gave me all the info. I'm not sure if y'all could see. It's a little bit more than I expected, but it's definitely worth it. It's gonna add value to the property, and it's a lifetime warranty that is transferable. So if I decide to sell the house or something down the line, the warranty will be transferred to the owners. I'm definitely gonna do it. I'm not sure when though. They're having a promotion going on right now. I didn't ask about military discount or veterans discount, and y'all know that's customary when it comes on to me. Like I always have to ask. I don't care. So it's a big day today. I'm headed to the courthouse. I'm getting married, y'all. Next week, Lambo. No, I'm kidding. I have a citizenship ceremony to attend. I'm gonna show y'all the outfit real quick. Just something chill, but you know, it's worthy. Name, make them nervous, huh? Testy. Thank you. This lady is about to be a citizen today from Jamaica, Houston Town. To America, citizenship, Trump can't hold on, she said. Oh my god. She's gonna swear in, y'all. She's about to be a citizen today. Add citizen to the list. She's about to be an American citizen today. She pledged her allegiance to the flag of the United States of America. Oh my god, look at her. Citizen. Dual citizen. Miss Citizen.
For the form I ordered, instructions legal permanent residents and are in legal and physical custody. They will be United States citizens as of today. You will need to apply for a certificate of citizenship by filling out the form N-600. The following information is about your naturalization certificate.
In the government for the same of our national anthem.
Honduras, India, Indonesia, Iran, Iraq, Israel, Jamaica, Jordan, Kenya.
Do each of you hereby declare on oath or solemnly affirm under penalty of perjury that you absolutely and entirely renounce and abjure all allegiance and fidelity to any foreign prince, potentate, state, or sovereignty, of whom or which you have heretofore been subjects or citizens, that you will support and defend the Constitution and laws of the United States of America against all enemies, foreign and domestic, that you will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that you will bear arms on behalf of the United States when required by law, that you will perform non-combatant service in the armed forces of the United States when required by law.
Look at the citizen, y'all. She is a citizen of the United States. Why may I look for your certificate? It's not mine. And not mine.
Làm nhiều tí.
I just got back from the nail salon. I was only able to get a pedicure. I'm going back tomorrow for my manicure. So today I was at home. What the hell? So I was home. No, sir. Pretty much I was home chilling because the dealership told me that the car would be ready Monday or Tuesday. So I was home chilling and this man is gonna call me to tell me that the car is here. I'm like, sir, like I need to go to the bank and, you know, do all that stuff. But I'm going to go pick it up tomorrow. I have my lash appointment tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. And then after that, I'm going straight to the dealership to pick up my new vroom, 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 vroom. But tonight, I have this celebratory. It's not a dinner. It's just a hangout. One of my homegirls, if you will, graduated recently, I think, from beauty school, and so her friends are celebrating her. So I'm just gonna pull up. We're going to this spot. I don't remember the name of it, but I'll put it in, you know, I'll put it on the screen. So I've never been there. It's my first time, but apparently they play R&B on Friday nights and stuff, and I love a good R&B, you know, old school. Yeah, that's me. Like, I really wanted to get my hair done to go pick up the car, so I guess tomorrow I have to finish something. I'm not even sure what I'm going to do with my hair tonight. Probably just put it in a ponytail. Like, I have wigs and stuff that I can install, but I'm just tired of the wigs. Not tired of the wigs, but I just want to give the wigs a break. Yeah, so I'm going to go shower and get dressed. I'm not sure what I'm going to wear, but I'm just going to go with something simple. Y'all see the waist? Okay. Like, I'm telling you, I've been doing good doing my workouts and eating properly. So yeah, I love wearing my natural hair, but it just makes me look and feel like a little girl. Like just now at the nail salon, they thought that I was like 22 or 25. I was like, I wish. Not really. I'm loving my 30s. It's the best. Hey y'all, so I'm ready to go. Not even gonna put on makeup or anything. This is what I'm wearing. Jacket from Calvin Klein. I'm wearing this, what do you call this? Onesie, bodysuit. My hair is in a pony, as you can see. I'm wearing my earrings or whatever to bring up the face. This purse, I think I'm gonna wear like my cool slides. It's gold and black. It's like matching the vibe. So yeah, no makeup like I said. No nothing. It's just a chill night. I'm gonna put some lip gloss on and then that's it. But I smell good though. So I'm wearing the Tom Ford body oil. This one. And I'm wearing Mind Games. I love Mind Games. Yeah, it's that good. But yeah, giving bald head. It's giving bald head. It's giving bald head. Ow. I broke my nail earlier, right before I went to the nail salon. I'm so mad, it hurts. I don't want to take it off. I want to wait until I go to the salon tomorrow. But we'll see. Okay, I think I'm ready to go. Trying to do some baby hair. Yeah, I like it. What y'all think? Do some of the other side. Yeah. Cute, right? That's what we're doing. Oh, I miss my lashes. But I'm still cute without them. If I do say so myself.
Do say it's the shit. If I do say so myself. If I do say so myself. If I do say so myself.
I'm just getting a little bit more baby hair going so I don't look so bald-headed. I think this is good enough. What you think? I feel like I need to fix this side a little bit more. What about now? Wait. Let's see. Okay, this is it. Okay, that's it. I'm done. Good night, y'all. I'm gonna take my phone with me, obviously. So if I'm gonna do content, it's gonna be on my phone. But I need to get some lip paint. Don't mind my stuff on the floor, y'all. Do y'all see all that stuff? Yeah, I need to do laundry. I have two phones. I'm gonna take this other one because my real phone is not fully charged.
Because too many times you said yes and it never went away. Yeah, I see my heart's I see. They used to say you didn't know love. I used to say